How to survive a dog attack, essential tips for staying safe. Dogs are incredible companions and devoted pets for millions of people worldwide. However, it's crucial to remember that they are also animals governed by instinct and behavior shaped by their environment. While most dogs are friendly and harmless, some situations can lead to aggression, putting people at risk of injury. Knowing how to survive a dog attack is an essential skill that empowers you to stay calm, act smartly, and ensure your own safety while minimizing harm to the animal. This guide provides valuable insights and practical steps to handle such encounters with confidence. To effectively handle or avoid a dog attack, the first step is to understand why dogs become aggressive. A dog's decision to attack is often not random but triggered by specific factors. Fear or anxiety can make a dog feel cornered or threatened, prompting an aggressive response as a means of self-defense. Dogs are also naturally territorial. They may see unfamiliar people entering their space as a threat to their home, food, or even their owner. In some cases, a dog's past mistreatment or lack of socialization with humans and other animals may lead to reactive or unpredictable behavior. Female dogs protecting their young are especially prone to aggression, as they act instinctively to safeguard their pups. Learning to recognize the signs of aggression helps you take preventive measures. Warning signals include growling, snarling, showing teeth, raised fur along the spine, and stiff, tense body posture. Dogs may bark excessively, adopt an intense stare, or lunge forward as the situation escalates. Keep in mind that many dogs give these cues before an attack occurs, providing you with a brief window to respond appropriately. The best way to survive a dog attack is to prevent it from occurring in the first place. By practicing caution and respecting a dog's boundaries, you can often diffuse a potential incident before it escalates. Never approach an unfamiliar dog without the owner's explicit permission. Even if the dog seems calm, its behavior can change quickly if it feels uncomfortable or stressed. Similarly, avoid petting a dog without first allowing it to sniff you, as this helps them familiarize themselves with you. Eye contact is important to consider. While looking into a dog's eyes might feel natural, many dogs perceive this as a challenge or threat. Instead, glance downward and to the side, especially when dealing with a dog that seems wary or agitated. Avoid sudden movements that might startle a dog, such as waving your arms or jumping backward. A calm demeanor goes a long way in keeping the dog at ease. If you find yourself in an area with many dogs, such as a park or neighborhood, move slowly and confidently to avoid drawing attention or alarming the animals. Sometimes, despite your best efforts to prevent an incident, a dog may still escalate its behavior toward aggression. In such cases, your actions should focus on staying calm and non-threatening while preparing to protect yourself if necessary. First, do not panic. Dogs are highly perceptive and can sense fear in humans. When they detect fear, they are more likely to attack as it signals vulnerability. Speak softly and avoid yelling or screaming, as loud noises can increase the dog's anxiety. Running away is one of the worst things you can do in this situation. Dogs have strong predatory instincts, and running triggers their natural urge to chase. Instead, plant your feet firmly on the ground and stand sideways or at a slight angle, which makes you appear smaller and less threatening. To de-escalate the situation, slowly back away while keeping your movements deliberate and controlled. Never turn your back completely on the dog, as this may encourage it to lunge forward. If the dog begins pacing or barking but does not charge, this strategy often gives you the opportunity to exit the area safely. When a dog charges, the situation becomes far more dangerous. This is where your preparation, composure, and quick thinking are crucial to minimizing harm. If the dog is charging directly toward you, try to place an object between you and the animal. Items like a backpack, jacket, or even a stick can act as a barrier, allowing the dog to redirect its aggression onto the object rather than your body. Extend the object outward and move it slowly, showing the dog that their target is now within reach, potentially triggering it to bite the object instead of you. Use a firm and authoritative voice to issue commands such as stop, no, or go home. These words may startle the dog or tap into its conditioning if it has been trained. However, do not scream or use high-pitched tones, as these can agitate the dog further. Avoid attempting to strike or hurt the dog, as this could escalate the attack and cause it to become even more aggressive. The key here is to focus on protection and avoid unnecessary provocation. If the dog makes physical contact, prioritize shielding your vital areas. Use your arms to protect your face, neck, and chest. If you are knocked to the ground, curl into a ball with your knees tucked to your chest and your hands covering your neck. This position minimizes exposure to vulnerable parts of your body while signaling non-aggression to the dog. Even if an attack occurs, how you respond afterward is crucial for ensuring your safety and addressing any potential consequences. First, seek immediate medical attention even if your injuries seem minor. Dog bites can introduce harmful bacteria into your body, causing infections like rabies or tetanus. Timely medical care minimizes health risks and ensures proper documentation of the incident. Next, report the attack to local authorities, such as animal control or law enforcement. This step is important for preventing future incidents, especially if the dog has a history of aggression. Provide as many details as possible, including the location of the attack, a description of the dog, and contact information for its owner if available. If you know the dog's owner, ask for the dog's vaccination records, specifically for rabies. Many communities have regulations regarding incidents involving aggressive dogs, so understanding your legal options and rights can help guide your next steps. Finally, consider advocating for rehabilitation or training measures for the dog. Some attacks result from poor training or environmental stressors that can be addressed. Where possible, encourage positive interventions rather than punitive actions, as this benefits both the dog and the community. While rare, dog attacks underscore the importance of being prepared. Here are some additional tips to enhance your safety. Carry protective tools such as dog deterrent spray or an ultrasonic whistle when walking outdoors. These tools are non-lethal and can dissuade a dog without harming it. Educate yourself on dog body language. For example, a wagging tail does not always mean friendliness. It could signal agitation if paired with stiff posture. Teach children to respect dogs' boundaries by avoiding rough play and giving dogs space when they are eating or resting. Encourage responsible pet ownership in your community, including proper training, socialization, and supervision of dogs. Be aware of local dog-related laws and practices, which can help you manage situations involving aggressive animals. Surviving a dog attack requires preparation, awareness, and calm action. By understanding dog behavior, practicing preventive measures, and knowing how to respond effectively in dangerous situations, you equip yourself with the tools to stay safe. Remember, most dogs are not naturally aggressive. They react based on instincts shaped by their environment or experiences. If you ever face a dog attack, prioritize your safety while respecting the animal's triggers and boundaries. Responsible action can de-escalate most situations, ensuring fewer injuries and a safer coexistence between humans and dogs. Stay informed, stay safe, and always approach dogs, both familiar and unfamiliar, with empathy and awareness of their unique needs and behaviors. Let this knowledge give you confidence to handle any situation calmly and responsibly, while fostering mutual respect between you and our canine companions.
Don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on more exciting videos like this.